Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to make text italic or strike through or monospace in WhatsApp. So you can write some text. So we are going to write some text web task. So now we edit text. So you can select it like this. Now we select it. Now you see bar and then you see three dots. So click on it. So first we are going to make this text italic. So when we click on three dot, now you see italic, strike through, monospace. Now click on italic. So you can make text italic manually also. Write underscore, then add your text and then add underscore again. Now we are going to make text strike through. So we are going to add some text channel. Again select three dot, strike through. Now you see channel is strike through. If you want to add manually, so you can do this format. If you want, you can add or make text monospace. Again add web task. Again select three dot. Now you see monospace, so click on it. So first text is italic, then strike through, then monospace. So you can send. Now you see web task in italic format, channel in strike through format, web task again in monospace format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.